The third lesson in this module will introduce you to the main components of a spreadsheet, rows and columns. In this lesson, you will learn the purpose of rows and columns in a spreadsheet. You will learn how to insert and delete rows and columns in a spreadsheet. You will also learn how to modify the dimensions of a row and a column and insert and switch between worksheets within a spreadsheet application. To start, click the To enter or edit data in several rows or columns, it is necessary to select the required range of cells. To select a single row, click the row number located on the left side of the screen. Select row number 2. Row number 2 will be highlighted, indicating it is selected. To select adjacent rows, keep the row 2 selected and press Ctrl on the keyboard. While holding down the Control key on the keyboard, click the mouse pointer on row 3 to select it. Row 2 and row 3 will now be highlighted, indicating they are selected. To select a non-adjacent row, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and use the mouse pointer to click on row number 5 to select it. Row 2, 3 and 5 will now be highlighted, indicating they are selected. To select a single column, click the mouse pointer on the column number located on the top side of the work area. Select column B. Column B will now be highlighted, indicating it is selected. To select adjacent columns, keep the column B selected and press the Control key on the keyboard. While holding down the Control key on the keyboard, click the mouse pointer on column C to select it. Column B and column C will now be highlighted, indicating they are selected. To select a non-adjacent column, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and click on column E to select it. Column B, C and E will now be highlighted, indicating they are selected. The Insert feature in the spreadsheet application allows you to add additional information by allowing you to add rows in between two rows of an existing worksheet. To insert a row, click the mouse pointer on the desired location in the spreadsheet where you wish to add a new row. In this example, we will click the mouse pointer on row 5. Then click Insert on the Home tab. A new row will be added in the desired position. If you want to add additional information in between two columns of an existing worksheet, you can use the Insert function. To add a new column, click the mouse pointer on the desired location in the spreadsheet where you wish to add a new column. In this example, we will click the mouse pointer on column D. Then click Insert on the Home tab. A new column will be added in the desired position. Besides adding new information, you can also erase information in a spreadsheet by using the Delete option to delete rows. To delete a row, click the mouse pointer on the desired row. In this example, we will click the mouse pointer on row number 5. Then click Delete on the Home tab in the Cells group. The desired row will be deleted, and the row below it will move up to cover this position. Let us learn the steps to delete a column in a spreadsheet. To delete a column, first click the mouse pointer on the desired column to be deleted. In this example, we will click the mouse pointer on column D. Then click Delete on the Home tab. The desired column will be deleted, and the column to the right will shift left to cover this position. When content is entered using multiple lines in the same cell, you may not be able to see the entire text due to the limitation caused by the default row height. To view the entire content in a row, the default row height has to be changed. To change the height of a row, position the mouse on the row border until the white cross converts to a double arrow. In this example, we will position the mouse below row number 5. Click, hold and drag the mouse to the downward direction to increase the row height. Release the mouse. The row height will be changed as desired. Just like the row height, even the width of a column in a spreadsheet can be modified to allow users to view the entire content. To change the width of a column, position the mouse on the desired column border until the white cross converts to a double arrow. In this example, we will position the mouse on the right border of column D. Now click, hold and drag the mouse to the right to increase the column width. Then release the mouse. The column width will be changed as desired. In a spreadsheet application, the panes can be frozen so that horizontal and vertical titles will remain on the screen as you move around the spreadsheet. To freeze the top row, click the View tab. Next, click the Freeze Panes command. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Freeze Top Row option from the drop-down menu. The top row will freeze and will remain on the screen as you move around the spreadsheet. To unfreeze the top row, once again click the Freeze Panes command on the View tab. And select Unfreeze Panes from the drop-down menu. The top row will unfreeze and will not move on the screen as you move around the spreadsheet. A spreadsheet containing multiple worksheets has several advantages over a single sheet workbook. The related data can be accessed easily when all related worksheets are in one spreadsheet. To switch between worksheets, click the desired worksheet tab located at the bottom of the work area. In this example, we will click the worksheet named Tuesday. The worksheet named Tuesday is now open. The spreadsheet application allows users to insert new worksheets in a workbook. To add a new worksheet, click the plus icon. A new sheet with the default name Sheet, followed by the sheet number, will be added to the workbook. Now that you know how to add a worksheet, let's see how to delete a worksheet in a spreadsheet application. To delete a worksheet, select the desired sheet by clicking on it. In this example, we will select Sheet 2 by clicking on it. Next, click the down arrow near the Delete button in the Cells group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Delete Sheet from the drop-down menu. Sheet 2 will be deleted from the workbook. Let us now learn how to copy a worksheet. Click Format in the Cells group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Move or Copy Sheet from the drop-down menu. A window will appear asking to specify the position of the copied worksheet. Click Move to End. Then select the Create a Copy checkbox. And click OK. A copy of the sheet will be created at the end with the same name, followed by a version number. When naming or renaming worksheets, it is recommended to use relevant names. This helps to provide a good indication of what data is in the worksheet. It is recommended that you follow certain rules while naming a workbook. Like each workbook should have a unique name. The name of the worksheet should not exceed 31 characters and spaces. Underscores and periods should ideally be used as word separators in the name of a worksheet. Now that you are aware of the rules for naming a worksheet, let us see the steps for renaming a worksheet. First, select the worksheet which you wish to rename. In this example, we will select the worksheet named Sunday (2) to rename it. Double-click on the worksheet named Sunday 2. Using the keyboard, type Wednesday as the new name for the sheet, and then press the Enter key on the keyboard. The worksheet will be renamed as Wednesday. Practical exercises. You have completed the lesson Managing Worksheets. In this lesson, you learnt the purpose of rows and columns in a spreadsheet. You also learned how to insert and delete rows and columns in a spreadsheet. Finally, you also learned how to modify the dimensions of rows and columns, and also how to insert and switch between worksheets within a spreadsheet application.